Well, back here for another challenge tonight. Got a really fast course. We'll see if I can survive the start, because it is a 90-degree turn after going full speed. So, good luck to me. We got about 13 people tonight, so that's pretty good. A lot of people. Good, good, good. Okay, we survived. That's a good start. Don't know how to do that properly yet. Okay, we got some space. I think the key is going to be like not, once you have enough grip, to not slide there, so you can keep up your momentum without scrubbing speed. Once the grip comes up, we can probably not lift there. We're doing a little lifting currently. See how this goes. Pretty cozy at the moment. Yeah, we see I didn't lift there yet. Tire's a little cold, and we slid a little bit out of that turn, which is not ideal. A little slide. My nose itches real bad. Good. Good, we're definitely pulling away. We are definitely pulling away. Yep, definitely just gotta control the speed there so you don't slide too much coming out of there. And that'll be the best thing for maintaining momentum. Maybe we just we don't take as harsh of an angle, so we can just go full speed through there. I wonder what my times are like. Well, there's a battle going on there between those guys. They have a battle going on. Hold on, Graham. You got this, buddy. Hold on to second there, bud. Oh, I think you lost it. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Well, we're back for race 2. I was cooking in that first one. I was moving. I had the fastest time out of anybody in that first qualifier by like 0.2 seconds. But now we are starting 6th. So we'll see how this goes. We got a lot of ground to make up. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This could be a problem. This could be a problem. Okay, good filing in. Good job, good job. Oh god, my gas pedal is stuck. I flippin' slid. Oh, I slid right out of there. Oh boy, yep, it's okay, it sticks right there. That's a great pace for it to stick. I love that. You love to have it stick right there. When you really need throttle control, it's a good place for it to stick. Hard to get past. Come on, bud, let's go. Come on, bud. Gotta try to get you there, but it's kind of hard to make a move anywhere else on this course. Even when I have the momentum here, I can't seem to make a move. So that's a problem. This is a hard course. This is somehow a hard course to pass on. Oh, I had a little bit going. I don't really want to punt him though, is like the thing. So like, that's not how I'm. I know some people race like that. You know, that's how you want to race. You know. Oh, sorry, bud. Yeah, like that line that he's taking is hard to make a pass on, is the problem. Come on, bud. Maybe I gotta rally you a little bit. Oh, if that wasn't sticking out, maybe. Maybe. Oh, I didn't have enough space. No. Oh. Wait, somebody is smacking me back there. Good race. Well, we're back here for the feature race. I'm cooking tonight, but man, it is going to be freaking tough. Starting pole, we got JJ, who has the fastest time ever. Second, we got Clay, who's super talented. And what the heck? What? Okay. Also another like top 3 fastest racer here. We got a couple Joker laps. So we'll see how this goes. He kind of had a little jump on the old race there. I don't know about that start. That was a little crazy, but what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do? We got 2 jokers. I don't know how we're gonna win this, but we gotta find a way. It's gonna be real tough. I might have to take one like right now. Yeah, we'll just take one now. And then we'll save one. We'll save one for as long as possible. I think it's probably better to take one early while like you don't have grip on the tires, because then you can just take the straightaway or whatever. Okay, somebody's right there. Got it. This move ain't gonna work. Good try, though. Good try. Good try. Yeah, I feel you booting me out of the way. I feel it. I should probably just take it. I don't want to deal with you, whoever's behind me. I think JJ still has another joker, so that's probably not good for my chances of winning. But we got to try to get top 3. Oh no, Bon! Yeah, he's also in Kart 19, which, spoiler alert, before we raced, he did an 18.63, I think, which is insanity. I can't remember if that's the fastest time or not, but that's an insane time. So the kart he has is also pretty fast. I'll try our best to keep up, but I don't know how well it's going to work. I feel like I'm doing that section better than him, but he's just got too much top end speed. Way too much speed. Because I think I do catch him there. But yeah, obviously the straightaway is a problem. I feel like I'm even doing that part pretty good right now. Like with, wonder who's got jokers left. I think Clay might still have one left. Oh no, I blew it! Maybe, 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 maybe!